So first of all, open your game in Roblox Studio. Once you are in Roblox Studio, select the Home tab and turn on Explorer. And now, in this Explorer section, you have to scroll down and find out this Starter Player. Select Starter Player and then activate Properties. So once you select this Starter Player, you find all properties for the starter player. So you have to scroll down and come to this camera section. In here you will find these camera max zoom distance settings. So all you have to need to lock first person in Roblox Studio, you have to change this camera max zoom distance to 0.5 and hit enter. Now if you go ahead and play your game, your camera will be locked to the first person just like this. So here we can see. Thanks for watching.